to know the height, find the area. How to get the area? Two diagonals you have to find. This is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2. So two diagonals. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 over 2 is the area. How to get the formula? Because I told you before, diagonal 1, diagonal 2, the product is what? Double the area inside the kite. So divide by 2. Parallelogram. Those two are parallel, parallel, parallel. How to get this done? This is the base. You need to find the height. You need to find the height. If the question don't give you the height, you try to find the height. So base times height equals the area. Don't divide it by 2. Why don't divide by 2? Because you move this triangle somewhere here. So this rectangle's area, the parallelogram's area is exactly the same thing. Don't divide by 2. How to get this part? For instance, this angle is 50 degrees. And you know this side is 10. This side is 15. How to find the area? So this 10 is not the height. You need to use this 50 degrees to find the height. This is the right triangle. So opposite over hypotenuse is what? Sine. So sine 50 degrees equals to h over 10. So h equals to 10 times sine 50 degrees. You have to use calculator. Do you understand, please?
Yes.
So area equals to base is 15 times 10 sine 50 degrees. But if the question gives you this angle is 45 degrees, so this is 10. You need this is 10, 45, 45, 90 degrees. So this side should be what? 10 divided by square root of 2. So this is 10 divided by square root of 2. They are the same. Do you understand, please? So you can simplify, or you don't need to simplify square root of 2. You get 5 square root of 2, 5 square root of 2. So the height is 5 square root of 2. So area equals to 1/2 times 15 times 5 square root of 2. Do you understand, please? You need to use knowledge to find the height. Diagonal, you have to find for the kite. Parallelogram, you have to find the base and the height. If the question gives you this side, the question must give you this angle measurement. Do you understand, please? You find the height. Pythagorean, you have to know. For instance, we have a rectangle. This is 15, this is 5, and this is a right triangle. Can you find the shaded area or no? Can you find the shaded area or no? Can you? Raise your hands. Do you think this is okay or not okay? Yes or no? Right triangle. Find the shaded area. How to do? Who can give me some idea, please? Can you do or you cannot do? Again. No. Yes or no? Just yes or no? Yes? Austin, tell me how to do.
Okay, well, first you have to find the area of the rectangle.
Area of 5.
15 times 5.
15 times 5.
And then you have to find the area of the triangle.
Yes.
So, you know that the height is 5. So it's, let's see, 1/2, 5 times 15. And then you subtract that from the area of the rectangle.
Do you understand him, please? Because this is right triangle. So this height is 5, base is 15, so 1/2 5 times 15 is the area of the triangle. The whole area minus triangle's area is the triangle. Is that okay? Yes or no? Yes, good. And this part, Pythagorean, originally the question is not, the quiz is not allowed for calculators, but we just give you calculator. So every question without calculator you can solve. So without any kind of, means what? 30, 60, 90 degrees, you should know. Do you understand, please? 45, 45, 90 degrees, you should know. And 3, 4, 5, something, you should know. So do you understand, please? You should know this part. Last part is we have learned 1124, 1125. Is we have a circle. Central is O, central point. And we have, this is A, this is B. For instance, this is 80 degrees. Can you find the arc A through D to B length? Can you find A through D to be the length or not? Raise your hands. If you can do it, raise your hands, please. Can you? Yes?
When you just multiply times 2 and then subtract it minus 360.
Okay, yes. You can find
That's the measure of that.
From A through D to B, this arc measurement. You have two ways to solve. You can find from here to here should be 280 degrees. Do you understand, please? So 280 over 360 equals to what?
25. Oh, no.
Equals to arc ADB, the length, over 2 pi times 10. Do you understand, please? Or you can find AB, arc AB, the length over 2 times 10 times 10. This is 80 over 360. Do you understand, please? You can use this one to find this length. Then you use 2 pi times 10 minus arc AB length. Do you understand, please? The total length is 2 pi r. You find this length, you use circumference minus AB, you can get ADB. Or you just use 280 over 360. This one directly find. This one you find AB first, then total length C minus AB. Is that okay? Go on, please. If you really did assignment, we don't have anything to review. I'm scared for something that never really seriously do assignment, or just do 1/3, 1/2. Okay, that is not okay. Now, the question is find the length. If the question finds the area, it's the same kind of question. We have so A to B, shaded area, R equals to 5, and this angle is 70 degrees. Can you find the shaded area? How to get a shaded area? Set of equation for me, please. Who is the one to say? Yes? 70 over 360, good. The area, area. The area, we just use A area over what? You have to look at the book.
Over pi r squared.
Okay. Why over pi r squared?
It's the area of the whole circle.
Do you understand him, please? Because this area over whole area is pi r squared. The length is different. This is 70 degrees. This part over 2 pi r. Do you understand the length? This is the length over 2 pi r. 70 over 360, 70 over 360. So you don't need it. Tomorrow we have no formula to give it. Do you understand, please? Area, sub-area, this shaded area over whole area. The length over circumference, 2 pi r squared. Is that clear for everyone, please? Yes or no? Good. Any other questions? The kite, parallelograms, and rectangles, we need to know. Last part, that is maybe tricky for some students. For the similar triangle, similar polygon, similar whatever, okay, please? For instance, we have a triangle. We have another triangle. They are similar, means corresponding side, corresponding is similar. If this side is 100, this side is 25, this side is 7. Can you find this side? How to get this side? Could you give me some idea, please?
The area is 100 or
Yeah.
the side is 100?
This inside is area. Area triangle, area triangle. We want to find the length, this length, because this side is corresponding side. How to set the equation? Yes?
So A, B, well, the similarity between the areas is A squared over B squared. And so A over B equals A squared over B squared.
Yes, maybe you, do you understand her or no? Okay, so please, this is area, yeah, this is area 1, this is area 2, okay? You can use area 1 over area 2. Is 100 over 25. Is that okay, everyone, please? We call this one as what? As K squared. Be careful, okay? K squared is area over area. After reduce is 4 over 1. Do you understand me, please? Area over area, that is K squared. Ratio. K equals to square root of K squared. You get 4 over 1, you get 2 over 1. Is that okay? So the K square means bigger triangle over small triangle is 4 over 1 after reduce. Be careful. This is not a K, this is K squared. K equals to K squared square root. So you get a 4 over 1 square root, 2 over 1. This K is what? The length ratio. You cut 7 over x. 7 over x equals to 2 over 1. Do you understand, please? Yes or no? Now, cross multiplication, x equals to 3.5. Is it okay for everyone, please? Yes or no? Good. K equals to square root of K squared. This question told us, if the question gives you area, both areas, find the sum side length. You have to find the K squared first, means area over area, the ratio first. K squared is 4 over 1. K equals 2 over 1. Then 7 over x equals to 2 over 1, not 4 over 1. Is that clear for everyone, please? So 11.1 to 3, this is 11.3, I believe. So you really need to do assignment. You really need to do assignment. Some questions I give you on the board, you have to do, okay, please? 100 is area, 25 is area. 7 is this length, x is this length. We need to find x. How to find x? Area over area is K squared. K is what? K squared is the area ratio. K is the length ratio. So 7 over x equals to 2 over 1, cross multiplication. Now, if the question gives you this triangle, this is 5, this is 4, this is 100. How about this? X is what? The area is what? How to set the equation? Who can tell me, please? Raise your hand. You made a mistake. I never say you are not okay, but you never tried. You just said it there without any. So tomorrow we have a quiz test. Yes. Who is volunteer? Yes.
Wait, I'm not sure.
You're not sure. The length ratio, K equals 5 over 4. This is common sense. So area ratio should be what? So K squared is 25 over 16. Do you understand me, please? Now, 100 over x equals what? 25 over 16. Don't use 5 over 4. Do you understand, please? 5 over 4 is length ratio. Length ratio square is area ratio. 100 over x equals 25 over 16. Is that okay? Now reduce. And x equals to 64. This one should be 64. You understand me or not? Yes or no? Yes. So we have no time, only 30 seconds left. We cannot review almost everything there.